Dito sa industriya, Cookie, I mean, looking back and even examining the present, gaano kahalaga ang ganda versus talent dito sa ating industriya?
Tito Boy, I will be very honest with
Sige
you.
nga.
I feel that ganda is nabibigyan ng more attention, more focus, more important than talent. In my opinion, you're asking me, Tito Boy, parang yun ang napapansin ko, mas nabibigyan ng kahalagahan yung physical appearance. Yung talent will come much later on.
Okay.
But of course, if you'll ask me, Tito Boy, ang sentiment ko about it is, sana, yung talento muna ang tignan, yung kagandahan, darating na yan, mag-i-improve na yan as time goes by, Tito Boy.
Pero through the years, Cookie, nagbago, nag-evolve na ba ang iyong pananaw sa kagandahan? What was beauty to you then and what is it now?
Tito Boy, yes. Significantly, Tito Boy, kasi I am guilty of the same. Nung bata ako, Tito Boy, I was very vain. Akala ko nung araw hindi eh. But when I look back now, in retrospect, anak ko, isa ako sa mga gandang-ganda sa sarili, tingin ng tingin sa salamin, Tito Boy.
Okay.
But now I realize that corny as it may sound, contrived man, yung beauty should be internal more than physical.
No, but it's true. It's real.
Di ba, Tito Boy, yung outward appearance natin, hindi naman yan, fleeting yan, mawawala din yan, wrinkles will happen. Sa akin, nangyari na, nakikita ko na yung mga kulubot ko sa forehead, and I accept them. I see the wrinkle here and there, but I'm happy, I'm grateful.
Part of my story.
It's part of my story.
Right.